The original title of the workshop was Acting for Non-Actors, but then it sounded like it was going to be a workshop about acting in plays or acting in films. And this is not what we mean. We don't mean acting like pretending. We mean acting like being and acting in your life. But being and acting in your life means for us having the ability to move, to speak, to feel, to think, to be any way you choose at any time, in any situation, and with anyone as you create your life and live into an exciting and inspiring future that you've designed. And we created the workshop by creating an amalgam of the proven transformational methodologies that Landmark offers in its various programs with tried and true techniques that are used to train and develop stage actors. And we put this together and stirred and mixed it up a little bit. And in the workshop, you get coached by some of the foremost professional acting coaches in the American theater and a whole group of uh, quite extraordinary professional actors who are working with you in two areas. One is to create a third act for the play you could call Your Name's Life Story, Your Name's Life Story. Uh, that's one part of the workshop is creating a new third act, a new future on the basis that the future we're living into actually gives us how we experience this moment now in the present. And then the other part is giving you the ways of the possibility of movement, of voice, of emotion, of thinking outside of what the character you wound up being in your life has, so that you can fulfill this new third act of your own design.